How to add a custom camera widget to lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on lock screen and wallpaper and style. After click on wallpaper and style, click on lock screen. After click on lock screen, and if you want to add custom camera widget, scroll down and click on camera. You will see custom camera widget is here. So you will select custom camera. After select custom camera, click on widget. After click on widget, so you will add title on widget. And if you want to turn on, and after the process, click on save and click on done. You will see custom camera widget is add on lock screen. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can add a custom camera widget to lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.